Alright, what do we got now? Another box. Yeah, broken parts still hurt. Especially when you whack with a big hammer on the end of it. Alright, now we're down to another box. Here's another box. We got a bag. Ooh. We got a box of junk. Let's do the yellow bags first. Ooh, good parts. Cone nut for a Springer. It looks kind of small. Probably for a 45. Well, I know it's 45. I know it's a 45 because I'm not stupid. I am stupid because I didn't know it was 45 right off the bat. Because 45s are tall, big twins are about a third of that shorter. Everybody knows that. Damn, what a dumbass. Okay. I don't know why it's almost 7/8 of an inch on the inside. It's 13/16 on the inside. That means it's probably for a 7/8 stem on the outside, which also is for a 45. So that'd be a 45 flathead Harley if you didn't know the difference. So it looks like it's got black paint sprayed on it, but it's parkerized underneath. There's parkerizing right there. So over here you got black paint. You're probably going to like your thumbnail and knock that paint off. And you have nice good parkerizing everywhere. It looks pretty good for restoration. Stick it on there as is, don't do anything to it. Looks good. I like that part. That's a good part.